there. We're joined by Indian actress Maushmi Chatterjee on the phone line with us. Thank you so much, ma'am, for speaking to us. Your thoughts on this very sad news?
धर्म जी जाते जाते भी लोगों को मतलब उनके ऊपर उपकार करके ही गए हैं, बिकॉज प्रिपरेशन तो तैयारी था ही कि ही इज गोइंग समवेयर एल्स देन दिस प्लेस. So people who are mentally was, I think lots of people was mentally knew that he will be sooner, he will be going. Ventilator का मतलब ही तो वही होता है, if it is more than 3-4 days. Yeah, so that is that, but it's I can't tell you, इसके कोई शब्द नहीं है कि कितना लॉस हुआ. हम लोगों को पर्सनली तो हुआ है, जो उनके भक्त है उनको भी हुआ होगा, जो परिवार है उनका तो हुआ ही होगा. ये मतलब he was a man who is family oriented, ये तो था ही. और कभी उनसे भूल हो गया तो हमेशा वो बोलते थे दिस इज मैं मेरे से भूल हो गया. बहुत बड़ा आदमी था और है, रहेगा.
Ma'am, if you can share, can't say. Yes, ma'am. You worked with him as well. If you can share some anecdotes, some memories, some precious memories that you have of Dharmendra ji.
He was he was very, very protective towards me, because he knew family, my father-in-law Hemant Kumar. So he was very, very out of the way. He used to tell why you are here. Then once I remember, he told his relative कि नंदी इसको गाड़ी में बिठा के रहो, ये इधर नहीं होना चाहिए. It's like that. The need parties and everywhere. And he had a great sense of humor. Great sense of humor.
Yes.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि धर्म जी, मुझे नहीं लगता कि गए हैं, मुझे लगता है कि ही इज देयर. अभी बोलेंगे चल कुड़िए, क्योंकि घायल पिक्चर के टाइम ही हैड कम ओवर इन आवर हाउस एंड टोल्ड माय हस्बैंड इनको बोलो कर ले, ये पिक्चर हाँ कर दे. मुझे तो आधा टाइम वो झल्ली बुलाते थे. ये तो झल्ली है, झल्ली मतलब पागल, जो मैं हूँ.
Well, thank you so much for sharing that with us, but also for viewers, there might be younger viewers.
I will always miss him, always.
Ji ma'am, for our younger viewers, if you can just talk a little bit about the legend that was Dharmendra, considered a he-man, considered so good looking at that time in Bollywood, in the film industry. If you can tell us a bit about, the kind of fan following he had.
I don't consider him as a he-man. He was a very soft man.
Gee.
He maybe looked tough, He
Yes.
looked tough, but he was very, very soft person inside. And he used to blush. Very few hero I saw, they blush. If he feel embarrassed or something like that, he used to blush. And
So ma'am, a rare combination, a toughie on the outside, but as you said, a softie on the inside. But again, if you could tell us more about the kind of aura he had, as you said, his bhakt, his many fans will be so, heartbroken right now. But if you could share with us more for our younger viewers, the kind of a legend that he was.
Younger view, I don't know, because इतना बर्दाश्त करने का क्षमता सबको नहीं होता है. धर्म जी ने बहुत बर्दाश्त भी किया है, फैमिली से भी, बाहर से भी, आउटसाइड. एंड when he was wrong, he always admitted कि yes, I am wrong. It is such a बड़ापन जो मैं बहुत कम लोगों में देखी है. And he was struggled, भूखा खा रह के, मैलो चल के, जिस हिसाब से पहले के लोग किया है ना, ये आज के बस की बात नहीं है. आज के तो लोग आप टेलीफोन ले लेते हैं, माँ बाप तो सुसाइड कर लेते हैं. एक फोन नहीं लगता तो उसका खुदकुशी में उतर जाते. कोई गर्लफ्रेंड कुछ किया, कोई बॉयफ्रेंड कुछ किया, दे इन देयर लाइफ. They think life is so easy. मरना ही है तो फैमिली के लिए मरो, करके मरो.
जी मैम,
आजकल के बच्चे के ऊपर मुझे उम्मीद बहुत कम है. उस स्ट्रगल से घबरा जाता है और उनके दिमाग से होता है कि लाइफ खत्म करना इजी है देन जीना. जी के बताओ ना एक एक पल, ये धर्म जी के लाइफ से पता चलता है.
Gee, ma'am, if you could share more, instances of your interaction, any funny moments, anything that's coming to your mind right now, even as we're mourning Dharamji.
रोमांटिक सीन में उनकी दोनों हाथ से वो मेरा मुंह पकड़ेंगे तो खुद ही हंस पड़े, बोले इसके दोनों हाथ से मुंह, इसका मुंह ही ढक जाता है. बिकॉज हिज हैंड वाज सो बिग. एंड बाकी जो भी है, उनके बच्चे है, जो भी है, टफर साइड जो दिखाता है वो धर्म जी के अंदर से दिखता था. सॉफ्टनेस भी दिखता था. बोथ ही वाज अ करेक्ट कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ सॉफ्ट एंड टफ. And I can't tell you. Actually, I don't feel I lost him. It was very sad for the family also.
And ma'am, unki career, it went over 6 decades, and even now his film was going to be released. It's going to be released in December. So he was somebody who had this staying power. He managed to, change himself with the times.
That I saw with a many actor, but he was the one with his all the time smile in his face. He actually, I don't know, मुझे तो देवदूत जैसा कोई लगता था. और बच्चे से थे उनकी स्वभाव भी.
Gee, ma'am, if you can share some more about the family, his son, Sunny, and Bobby.
No, I'm so sorry, I can't say it more because I think I'm busy. Okay.
All right, ma'am. Yes.
Bye. Bye.
Right, ma'am. Thank you so much for speaking to us.